This bulletin is sponsored by Tanishq School of Nursing.
Hello, this is Shrishti from Maharashtra TV 24. Let's just move on to our today's news bulletins. Yavatmal district's Javai Dhavpal Nagar is in big demand for development. According to people, they are homeless. On the common days, they can't even afford food or a single rupee. They are in huge need for every single thing which we require to have our basic needs. Food, water, shelter is must to every living being. But here, the poor villagers have to cross large ponds and rivers sometimes to fill their pots of drinking water. People confronted to media that every year the elections are done, but here there is no development in any way possible. Now what to do, how to survive and what to eat is a big question. A guy named Bhavesh Chakor felt an attack of paralysis after he took the vaccine. He later went to Bhajapa party members for help. Bhajapa members had a word with Dombivli MIDC staff and it came out with a big debate between the hospital staff and the committee members. MRI has been done and other needy expenses for the required enhancement to resolve his health is going to be done without Bhavesh paying a single penny with the final conclusion. A local actress with big dreams had a hope from Maharashtra Navnirman Cinema Committee that she finally can fly out towards her dreams. But the casting director demanded to share the bed. Girl complained later on to the Manse party. Party member Padnyanam Rane has answered the director in Manse style. Members slapped the director, which later came out to know was from UP. Party praised and awarded the girl from their side for being stubborn about her dreams and taking a stand for herself. Chopra district is facing issues because of no rainfall. Just in the month of June and July, there has been some showery rain. Later on, they have harvested the land for the fourth time up till now in the thought that the dry land will go green. But it seems like there has stopped raining in the Chopra district, which caused them a heavy disappointment. Villagers seeking and asking for help to the government. We can see the projects like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Smart City getting down and being nil when the resides near Mangalwari Lake are pissed and in danger with the mosquito and other water infectious issues. As the Mangalwari Lake full of dirt and garbage, and now with the rain everything is being overflown. Residents claimed and complained 1,000 times to the ward members. Durga Hatitele, Sanjay Chavre, Praveen Besikar and Abhiruchi Rajgiri. According to people, forget about taking action on it, but they have literally closed their ears to listen to us. Public also claimed that once there was a time during elections, the ward members promised us to fulfill our demands. So that's it for today. This is me, Anchor Shrishti, signing off from Maharashtra TV 24. Thank you.
रोकड़े ज्वेलर्स, नागपुर का गहना। आपके जीवन के खूबसूरत पलों को गहनों से सजाने के लिए रोकड़े ज्वेलर्स हमेशा आपके साथ। विश्वास की एक अटूट परंपरा।
रोकड़े ज्वेलर्स, बड़कस चौक, महाल, नागपुर।